Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Francie.
And my name is Nora. It's an astounding day to be a Panther.
Our girls soccer team will play Bayside today here at Heritage.
The games will start at 5:30 for junior varsity and 7 for varsity. Come out and join us.
Panthers, it's time for some holiday cheer. Please see the list of our 12 days of holiday dress-up days. The 12 days of holiday dress will begin Thursday, December 7th and continue through December 22nd.
Start planning your outfits now and please join the staff and teachers in this festive event.
In Heritage Club news, make plans for Friday. First priority will be meeting during all 3 lunches in the auditorium lobby. There will be pizza, games, friends, and fellowship.
Also, don't forget that the Green Youth Club meets today from 3:30 to 4:30 in room 210 with Ms. Diaz.
Students, Black Student Union Club, also known as BSU Club, also meets today at 3:35 to 4:45 in room 6101 with Ms. Sharp.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!